Welcome to day 41, our first day of exam review. The first three questions will be about how to dilate a line, about the origin. I'm going to put a link into the description of the YouTube video that will bring you to like an instructional video on how to do these. Or if I can figure it out, I'll put an annotation in that you just click, and it will bring you to kind of the how-to and the longer video. So let me cut to the chase. I'm just going to go ahead and solve this and kind of talk you through my logic. So whenever doing these dilations of a line, I want to make sure that my equation is in slope-intercept. That's y equals mx plus b form. That way I can pull out the useful information. Slope, because dilated lines will be parallel, and the y-intercept, because when I dilate about the origin, the y-intercept just gets increased by the scale factor, which here is 4. So solving for y, I got to subtract 4x. And you know what? I'll take a second and just talk about this. This equation is in what we call standard form. And that's because it reads, x plus y equals a constant. And that's a standard form. It goes x, y, and then your constants on the other side. And because I know how to read this, I know that the slope for this equation will be minus 1/4. And I'm doing a trick here. I'm taking the constants on my x and y, and I'm just taking, no, it's minus 4/1. There we go. It's minus 4/1. Because the way it works is you just take the x, the constant on the x, put that as your numerator, take the constant on your y, put that as the denominator, and then just negate it. So it should be 4/1, but the rule is negate it. So you'll see why that happens, why you have to do that negation. Because when we go to solve for y, I have to subtract that 4x. So that 4x is going to turn into a minus 4x, and that's how it becomes negative. But I'll still have y over here equals 2 minus 4x, and can see my slope is at minus 4/1, and equals minus 4/1, and my y-intercept is at 2, equals 2. So when I go to write the equation of the dilation, the image, line M will have the equation y equals minus 4/1x, because it needs to be parallel. But that y-intercept, the new y-intercept, will be 2 times my scale factor of 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. So plus 8. And there you have it. See you in the next one.